is up? It's your boy back for a neck cracking part 2. You ready for this? Because I'm going down. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, God. Hold on, let me try this. Oh, God. Jesus, that hurt. Oh, that was good.